Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the finals not launching on your PC problem. Let's fix it guys. The first solution is to launch the finals with DirectX 11. To do this you just need to open up Steam, right click on the finals and select properties. In launch option you just need to copy and paste this code guys. Copy it and paste it. Check my video description for this code used in my video. You just need to paste it, and after pasting it just close it off here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to verify integrity of game files. To do this you just need to right click on the finals and select properties, select installed files, select verify integrity of game files. This will help you to restore corrupted files. After finishing this, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the third solution guys. The third solution is to run Steam as admin. To do this, you just need to close it off the Steam, click on this arrow icon, right click on the Steam and select exit Steam. And after doing this, right click on the Steam and select open file location. Right click on the steam.exe, select properties, select compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator. Select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to close it off here and launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.